If you are wondering if you can expect to get Android 17 update on the Xiaomi 15T, then the answer is yes. The phone is supposed to receive up to 4 major Android upgrades, of course this includes Android 17. Right now, as I'm recording this video, we are in the middle of the rollout of Android 16, so users start to get updates to Android 16. So of course, it is a long way until we actually hear anything about Android 17, but since it is promised to actually receive Android 17 on Xiaomi 15T, at some point you should be able to get it. But like I said, right now it is impossible for me to tell when you can actually expect it. You just have to wait for the news and for some official information about the rollout. But unfortunately, right now I cannot really tell when you can expect it. But yes, you should get Android 17 at some point. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.